You are watching Morning Musings with Reinhard von Hennigs, chairman and founder of Bridge House Law in Charlotte, North Carolina.
Where are warning labels printed on cigarettes? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs, and the answer is in Canada. In a landmark move, Canada has introduced a new national tobacco regulation requiring warning labels or a warning advice printed on each individual cigarette. No, not on the outside, or well, I should probably say yes, also on the outside of the packaging, but also on the inside. The hope is that this move will reduce smoking rates and therefore enforcing public health. This is a rule which was implemented last year, and it's phased in based on cigarette sizes. And depending on the different cigarette sizes, the last cigarette size where this rule will be applied will be in April this year. Why was this a consideration? Well, first of all, it is of course a health concern. Second of all, it was a way how companies now would be in a different liability situation, because product liability means that everybody is liable who is producing a product in the chain of commerce which is harmful. Product liability is more than just a legal liability of something which may happen, but it is a concrete liability if something happens and if it can be proven that there's a direct correlation between the injury, here is sickness, and something which caused it, such as smoking. The requirements now to have labels in Canada signifies a growing trend of holding companies accountable as well as doing something for the public health. But let's look back. Tobacco liability is a long tail for businesses. Tobacco liability has been out for decades, and we have seen tobacco companies found mingled up in different lawsuits with billions of dollars awarded. Think about the US Master Settlement Agreement of the year 1998, which imposed financial and marketing restrictions on major tobacco firms, which altered the industry significantly. And now, in an international setting, tobacco travels, so do cigarettes. And I'm curious to see which other countries will implement the similar rules later, or I'm interested to see how much the reduction of smoking is really incurred by these labels on top of cigarettes. You see on the backdrop behind me prints how the cigarettes should be labeled. So there are different warnings given. Poison is in every puff is one of them, and there are many more, and the Canadian health authorities have created them. So thinking beyond tobacco, tobacco liability is, in my opinion, a crucial landscape, a crucial case study, and a global think and change instruction how businesses could be improving their liability labels. It's not about the government, what the government requires you to do as a company, but each company must ask, are we prepared for any emerging regulation which could impact our products and services? Do our legal teams have the compliance work and work collaboratively together in the different teams so that we as a company can anticipate the risk? And lastly, can we integrate the concept of corporate responsibility into our growth strategy? Canada's new tobacco rules, new tobacco labeling, is not just about tobacco. They represent a broader shift towards consumer protection as well as corporate accountability. As a global business leader, my question to you is, how will you ensure that your company stays ahead of evolving regulations while maintaining ethical business practices as well as sustainable profitability?
Whether you're a private citizen, an international business leader, or simply someone eager to stay on top of the latest news, this book is a great way to get caught up on the most recent developments in the worlds of international business, tax, politics, and social affairs. Go to morningmusings.com and order your copy today.
Thank you for joining us today. If you would like more information about Bridge House Law, please visit our website at bridgehouse.law. Before you go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more up-to-date content. Bridge House Law, business-minded, client-focused.